In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan on Figma. Let's get started by opening Figma. You can use the desktop app or a web browser, whichever you prefer. Once Figma is open, make sure you're in the workspace you want to upgrade. If you're currently on a free trial, you'll see a small label or badge that says free near the workspace or in the billing area. Click that free indicator to open the upgrade options. This takes you straight to the plan selection screen where you can adjust your subscription. Next, choose the plan that fits your needs. Professional is ideal for growing teams that need more collaboration features and advanced sharing controls without heavy admin overhead. Organization is built for larger companies that want robust admin tools, centralized billing, security features, and more granular permissions. Take a moment to read the short descriptions on the screen and select the plan that aligns with how your team works. You'll now be asked to select seats. In Figma, a seat usually represents a paid editor, someone who can create and edit files. Viewers and commenters typically don't require paid seats, so think about how many active editors you have today and add a small buffer if your team is expanding. Remember, you can usually adjust seats later, so it's okay to start with a reasonable estimate. After selecting seats, enter your payment details. You may see options for monthly or annual billing. Choose what matches your budget and planning. Then provide your card information and any required billing details like company name and address. Double-check everything for accuracy. This helps ensure your invoices and receipts are correct and avoids issues with renewals. Before you finalize, take a careful look at the review screen. Confirm the plan you picked, the number of seats, the billing frequency, the currency, and any applicable taxes. Make sure the total matches your expectations. If something looks off, go back and tweak the plan or seat count now. This is the best time to make changes. When everything looks right, click Complete Purchase. Figma will process your payment and you should see a confirmation right away. That's it. You're done. Your workspace is now upgraded and the features of your chosen plan should be available immediately. You'll also receive a confirmation and a receipt in your email. If you need to add or remove seats later or update billing details, you can do that anytime from your workspace's billing settings. Enjoy your upgraded Figma experience.